Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. We are going to be looking at just basically what is the best free funnel builder tool out there. If you have been following me for any point of time on this channel, you guys know that I am passionate about affiliate marketing. I'm passionate about sharing with you guys tools and strategies and techniques that can help you with your journey. And today I want to be talking about just a price, a very affordable tool, a free tool actually, that you can use in your journey as a website builder, a course creator, funnel builder, all combined in one, an email marketer. You'll find this tool. I'm sure that you guys might have heard about it on this channel, but let's get into it. Before I go ahead, guys, and share with you the tool itself, I wanted to just talk to you guys about my strategy, talk to you how this tool is relevant for me personally, and then you can see whether it makes sense for you to join, obviously, and get it or not for yourself. When I was doing my due diligence, these kind of videos really helped me in my decision making process. So at the end of the day, I only want you guys to get this information so that it helps you in your decision. Okay. And if you do like the way I'm sharing this content, guys, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I would appreciate it. And let's get into the information. So you can see that from my entire process of affiliate marketing, what is on screen right now, I leverage an advertising source that I basically send to an offer, and on the offer is usually on a affiliate network like Warrior Plus or ClickBank, and then I make a sale from that. And that basically is the starting point of what we call a funded proposal. Now, funded proposal, guys, can be done in different ways. Okay, this is just one way that you can do it. Another way that you can do it is you can have a digital product, a low income, a low product, a low ticket product, basically on the front end, or the first two products that help you generate a certain fund, and then you invest that fund. That fund is that advertising budget that you're earning basically from that low ticket product is then used to fuel and improve your entire conversion on the back end. Earning from the back end, the front end basically is the fuel to the fire. This is also a type of funded proposal. It's up to you. And one is a digital product kind of style of marketing, and the other way is what I'm sharing here with you guys here is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is basically solving a problem for a specific audience, right? So I share tools, I share strategies, and I share products and training that are there within the make money online niche, okay, within the wealth niche. Therefore, the tools that I share have a solution. It helps you with your email marketing, it helps you with your funnel building, it helps you with all these kind of things, right? So then it has a purpose, and I'm solving that problem and that purpose, and that earns me money in the long term. So that's how I look at it with affiliate marketing. Digital products is you're directly solving the problem yourself for everybody else. So that's how it is. I like to do both, a little bit of both, but I focus mainly on affiliate marketing. That helps me build this entire process that you can see in step number 2, which is what I call a sales process, which is what everybody calls a sales process. And it also has two sides to it. One is the sale process in itself, so the funnel that you build, and the second part is the email funnel that you build, which is a value series that goes back to the funnel and helps you then position yourself in the right way. And it gets also a higher return on your time spent, your money spent, and so on and so forth. But all of this can be built with free tools. Nowadays, like 10 years ago when I started to look at this information, you had very few softwares out there. Some of them, mainly a lot of people were using WordPress. Then you had ClickFunnels and different other ones that are there, which are still existing till today. And don't get me wrong, these are good softwares to have. Over time, with the advancement of technology, guys, it has become much easier to get started online. So let's say you have an idea today, or you want to solve a problem specifically for a dog market, for babies, for health and fitness, whatever kind of niche you choose, and you decide to build a funnel for it to test the waters out. I would want to use an affordable tool to be able to build this out. And so the one that I would recommend to you, and guys, if you're interested, then feel free to click the link in the description of this video and you can get started for free. Okay, it's absolutely for free. There's no cost involved in it. It's called System.io. It's one of the tools that I personally recommend. I fell in love with it 3 years ago that I started to use it. And it is really got the most value for what you're spending, which is absolutely for free. And one of the reasons is that this is a software that has limitations. I'm going to go to the pricing because I want to show you guys specifically the pricing. And you can see they have a freemium plan and there's limited usage. This is kind of misleading when you say with limited usage, because the key here is actually you get access to all core features. Now, just to give you an idea, I'm going to go to ClickFunnels. I don't want this to be a review versus, but let's say we go to ClickFunnels. Okay, I want to just go to ClickFunnels, and what we'll do is we'll also go to high level. Okay, why am I doing this? You'll see in a second why I'm doing this. Okay, I want you guys to see what value is being brought in all of these different three softwares, which pretty much do the same thing, right? But what are the price ranges and how it can be useful to you or not? So if you see right here, all access to all core features with limited usage. So limited usage is you can have 3 funnels, you can have 1 automation rule and 1 custom domain, and up to 2000 contacts. So this is it is perfect for testing the platform. It is really perfect. You have literally, you can try all the features. So you can try the email marketing, you can try the automations if you want, you can try the sales funnels, everything within the sales funnels, including an A/B test if you want, with with System.io free plan. You can try a one-click upsell, order bumps, sub accounts are unlimited. You can have a blog, you can have unlimited blog posts. So if you want to build a blog absolutely for free, this is a huge benefit, and one that I would recommend if you want to start creating a hub for yourself where you direct. Let's say your focus is on advertising, your focus is on content creation, and you want to build a hub for yourself so people can come to. Why not do it with System.io if it can be created, and you'll have unlimited blog posts that are available? So it's really, really quite a interesting thing to have, in my opinion. All of the features are pretty much available for free, and then you have the $17 plan, but I'm not going to talk about the pricing because I want you guys to see what's available, right? So if we go here and we look at the pricing right here, you'll see, we'll do a monthly because I want you guys to see. You'll see that there's a 97 per month plan. There is a free trial of 14 days free trial, and then it costs 97 on the launch plan. And you can see right here also you have all these are not all the core features, but you have quite a bit of features available for 14 days basically. Okay, for free. It would be for 14 days for free. You don't have access to all of these features. Okay, you can have access to a limited amount. Not all the core features. Includes all the tools for your launch, but not all the tools that ClickFunnels has to offer. This has everything that System.io has to offer in the free plan. Then go high level very quickly. We'll also look at, it has a 14-day free trial. And then I wanted to see the different things that are there. And then I believe it's $97. But yeah, then it goes to $97. Okay, that's a 14-day free trial and goes to starter, which is $97, as I said. And this is what you get, right? So you get 14 days for free, and then it goes to 97. And yes, you get all the tools here within the 97. But the only difference is that you're getting 14 days to test it out only. Whereas here it is, let's say you are unsure about your plan, you're still figuring out your idea, you still want to start and launch things, you want to build a blog, whatever it is. Here you will not be able to build a blog, by the way. This is, you want to build a blog, you want to do things, then you have more time flexibility here, because as long as it's up to 2000 contacts, 1 automation rule, and 1 custom domain, you're fine. Free funnels are more than enough to get started. That being said, I didn't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to give you guys an understanding that, in my opinion, the best tool out there in the marketplace right now, which is a free funnel builder, it's very easy to get started. You just literally sign in, and I'm going to just go to the sales funnel just to show you guys very quickly. Just open a sales page. You can see right here, I will click on edit right here, and you can have a simple page done. You can have pop-ups if you want. You can go to settings right here and change things. You can add a lot of features that are available. You can add raw HTML as well if you want. I need to take that out. But yeah, you can add some raw HTML if you want, in case you're a little bit creative on your side. That's also possible. And I don't need these 2 things. Then you can click on save. You can check this out on mobile, how it looks. You can check this out on the page itself. And this just to show you guys how the tool is. Okay, so the software is pretty really nicely done, actually. Let me just exit this page, guys. Yes, so guys, that's a tool that you can see right here. And like I said, you have a really robust CRM that's available. You can have pipelines. It's really well done. You can build digital stores. I have my own blog done. I'm going to show you guys this. All of this page, guys, is apps. Imagine I've done this entire blog absolutely for free, and then I moved on to creating more automations about it. But all of this done pretty much on everything on system.io, all the tools pages. You can go to my YouTube channel. So it's a great hub to have and direct people to, because at the end of the day, you want people to see this information that you have out there, right? And you want to be found as an affiliate marketer. You want to be found as a business. It's a great funnel builder. It's a great website tool. It's a great course creation. If you want to create your own course, I can show you guys that as well. I have my own course that's all hosted on system.io, and I would need to spend a lot of money if I, with 3 4 different kinds of tools, and it has monthly costs, right? So it can be a heavy monthly cost if you do all of these things, as I do as well. And it is all for free. You can get started. You can try all of these features that I'm talking about for free. Can't I mean, this video is supposed to be about the pricing, so I want you guys to see the accessibility that you're getting for a free funnel builder. Okay, if you need help in getting started, then obviously let me know. There is a benefit if you do go to a paid plan. You get access to entire student enrollment courses, and that you can get for free, which is teaching you different methods to make money online. It also talks about the software quite a lot, and it gives you a lot of ideas to get started. Okay, so there is an advantage in that, besides all the other added use cases of the paid plans. I'm a happy user of System.io, and I recommend it 100% to each and every person who's getting started, who's looking in this journey and just want to test things out. So if that's you and you don't believe a word I'm saying, try it out for yourself. I will continuously use this tool because it has helped me a lot in my own journey, and I wanted to share it with you guys as well, everything else. If you want to check out my blog, I'll leave a link in the description. If you want to check out my course, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you want to get started with System.io, guys, in the pinned comments, it will be a link to get a free account with System.io. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.